Home remedies for fever. Whenever the body's temperature is higher than the normal range, it is called a fever. Although we commonly hear that 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit or 37 degrees Celsius is considered normal, this is not a quite set number that applies universally to all. Normal body temperature is different for children than adults and also can vary among individuals. According to the National Institute of Health, a child has a fever when his or her body temperature is higher than 99.5 degrees Fahrenheit or 37.5 degrees Celsius. First, cool water. Soak a washcloth in cool tap water. Wring out the excess water and then sponge areas like your armpits, feet, hands and groin to reduce the temperature. Also, you can place cold, damp washcloths on your foreheads and back of your neck. The cloth pieces should be changed regularly after a few minutes. This remedy is beneficial when dealing with a high fever as it helps keep temperature under control. Second, basil. Basil is an effective herb for bringing down a fever. This herb is just as effective as many types of antibiotics in the market. Its healing properties will help reduce fever very quickly. Boil together 20 basil leaves and 1 teaspoon of crushed ginger in 1 cup of water. Until the solution gets reduced to half, add a little honey and drink this tea 2 or 3 times a day for 3 days. Third, apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is another inexpensive and highly effective remedy for a fever. It helps reduce a fever quickly because the acid present in it helps dry heat out of the skin. Plus, it is rich in minerals and helps replenish minerals that get eliminated from the body due to fever. Add 1/2 cup of vinegar to lukewarm bath water. Soak in this water for 5 to 10 minutes. In about 20 minutes, you will notice improvement. Repeat again when the body temperature is high. Fourth, garlic. The warm nature of garlic can also lower a high fever by promoting sweating. This also helps eliminate harmful toxins from the body and speed up the recovery. Plus, garlic is an antifungal and antibacterial agent that helps the body fight infection as well as ward off the disease. Finally, mince 1 garlic clove and add it to 1 cup of hot water. Steep for 10 minutes, strain and sip slowly. Doing this twice a day and you will feel much better the next day. Fifth, raisins. Raisins helps the body fight infection and reduce fevers. They are loaded with phenolic phytonutrients which are known to have antibacterial and antioxidant properties. Also, raisin acts as tonics for your body. And when you have a fever, soak 25 raisins in 1/2 cup of water for 1 hour or until the raisins become soft. Touch the soaked raisins in the water and strain the liquid. Add the juice of half of a lemon to this solution. Have this twice a day until your fever is gone.